Hi everyone. At dawn's gentle glow, I found myself drawn to the fascinating façade of Irvine Old Parish Church Hall. Its sandstone walls and welcoming windows carried not only a deep sense of history, but also the warmth of cherished memories. I remember the countless moments of laughter and learning that filled its halls, my children taking their first steps in creche, the joy of Sunday school, and the invaluable lessons imparted during Bible class. Every corner of this special place holds a story. I recall happy times spent playing badminton with dear friends, guiding Bible class with enthusiasm, and even illustrating and printing the church magazine, a creative pursuit that brought me great satisfaction. I once served as the president of the Young Wives and Mothers group, where we enjoyed activities that forged enduring friendships. The gentle harmonies of my mother-in-law's choir still echo warmly in my heart, while my husband's tales of his boys' brigade days resonate with a strong spirit of camaraderie. On a serene morning at 6, when the world lay quietly in slumber, I wandered through the church cemetery until I stood before the hall, camera in hand and heart full of wonder. In that stillness, I captured not only the inviting entrance of the hall, but also the invisible tapestry of lives that once animated its rooms. Every careful mark of my pencil translated that quiet magic onto paper, with each window serving as a portal to past adventures and heartfelt gatherings. Bathed in the soft early morning light, the hall filled me with quiet contemplation that spoke to my soul. In those precious reflective moments, nostalgia transformed my art into a living tribute to a community that has moulded my very being. The memories linger, inviting me to celebrate the rich legacy of place, connection, and humanity. Goodbye.